goes to A103.
And the kids are Ratan Matarasi, Mansi Kasagani, Ashish Sham, Shaili Patro, Abhinav Murthy, Rishi Matarasi, Arman Kapoor, Akanksha Arvind, Arushi Sham, Suhani Murali, Pari Deshpande, Vidya Ping, Niharika Kalgaonkar, Satvik Rishi Saho. These kids are from Desi Root School and the teacher is Anand Amarnani. Thank you.
The next group is B300 onwards. There is one prize that's assigned, which goes to B301.
The winners are Elvina Anu, Javelin Sunny, Sudiksha Satyamurthy, Sanjana Nellipunath, Gloria Matthew, Avni Rajit, Kavya Muralidhar, Julia Joseph, Gabriel Matthew and Alina Augustine. These kids are from Shri School of Dance and the teacher is Vinisha. Please give them a big hand.
Next comes solo classical music. There are two prizes. One is SC104, which goes to Shreyas. And the teacher, the school is Aparna Rani, and the teacher is Aparna Rani. And I just would like to say something about this group. The kids were very nice, very good, but in future, I think just a tips, they need to put the Shruti a little bit higher and they have to make sure they do the talam right so that the judges can see that properly. Okay, Shruti is very, very important in music. It is the primary thing. Shruti Mata Laya Pita. It is Shruti is as equivalent to your mother and talam is as equivalent to your father. So you have to keep that in mind. Okay, otherwise everything was very nice. The second prize goes to SC112 in the same group. The prize winner is Akhilesh Mishra and the school is Desi Root School of Indian Music. And the teacher is Anand and Anand. The next group is A200 series, which is music non-classical. There are three prizes allotted. The first prize goes to A202. The names are Advika Harihar, Archana Manoj, Abhinav Harihar and Nitya Samba. Coming from Veena Music School, the teacher is Veena Balakrishnan. Again, I would like to say this kid sang very well and small tips to the teacher. Even though she was using the background already set music, I think the children should be taught how to do the talam. Talam is very important and they were singing, it was more like a karaoke which we we would encourage at this age, but it would be better. They have the talent to perform on their own. So in the next time, Mrs. Veena, just keep that in mind that the children are taught how to do the talam on stage and how to keep up with the shrutis without the background music. Because it's a competition, that's the reason. The second prize goes to A204, and the names under this group are Yalini Ramasrinivasan, Arna Arav Mithai, Anvita Srikanth, and Bhavana Masapalli. Again, the pride of the school is Veena Music School, and the teacher is Veena Balakrishnan. The third prize again goes to the same school, A205. Sorry, it goes to a different school, I'm sorry. It goes to Desi Roots, and the teacher is Anand Amranai, and the kids are Aryan Sharma, Akhilesh Mishra, Rahul Sharma, and Kushbu Amran. Last but not the least, the dance group A300 series. There is only one prize. It is a special mention, A303. There were only 3 groups that performed under this serial number. Again, a small tips, the other 2 groups that performed, they were really very cute on the stage, very small children. They have a long way to go. They have plenty of time to perform and win prizes in the competition. Just to say that they were extremely good, but they have time and scope for improvement in their adavals and expressions. They're too young to show their expressions. So we had to settle with this group. Otherwise, the kids were all awesome. We enjoyed as judges. We really enjoyed. And we saw how much of self-esteem each child has. And they proved to be good for this reason. Because that was Sri Vivekananda's motto. That everyone should have their self-esteem boosted up. And he, as a youth, came to this country and he had the guts than anybody else to spread the Indian culture and the religious spirituality to the Western crowd. So we have to keep that in mind, and we are so happy to see so many people perform today. Thank you, and thanks to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to judge this competition. Thank you.
The kids in the A303, which is the winning group, are Anagha Venkatesh, Priya Melepat, Rajula Polu, Arushi Chitali, Shruti Vallabhanini, Amulya Vajja, and Amar Vajja. Please give them a big hand. These kids are from Natyam Dance School, and the teacher is Praveena Vajja. Thank you very much. Wasn't it fantastic seeing so many kids, trying to learn our beautiful tradition of Carnatic music, and even though non-classical, learning so many songs, coming up on stage and performing and trying to keep the spirit of Indian culture. Please give them a big hand again. With this, we'll be taking a small lunch break. Now we'll be having a small lunch break for about 15 minutes, and we'll be continuing with our rest of the session, which is going to be one more feast of dance and music for the afternoon. And before you all leave for the lunch break, I would like to request groups A401, 402 and 403 to be ready at the backstage in another 15 minutes. We are going to restart our program in another 15 minutes. Please don't forget to give one more round of big applause for all the participants and the winners. Whoever performed today is a winner. The moment you come up on stage and you're, willing to show your self-confidence, boosting your self-esteem, you're already a winner. These are just special recognitions, and these could be your, inspirations for the next competition. So please give them a big round of applause for all participants. And we'll be back after a short break. Thank you.
Back. Please,
Dear children and parents, Divine Spark was founded in 1986 by Dr. Chandra Sekhar Rupa. He was inspired by the teachings of life, the Swami Vivekananda. It is his great pleasure then to introduce the life of that great figure. He inspired millions of people in the 19th century and is still inspiring many through recommendations that Divine Spark today. So please enjoy the short video about Swamiji. Swamiji is one of the most famous monks.
Lights, please. The backstage lights.
Even after 150 years of his birth, his message still reverberates across India and the rest of the world. The world had the opportunity to see his greatness in the Parliament of Religions held in Chicago on September 11, 1893. As with many great people, Swamiji's life was short.
Lights.
Was good.
Yeah, full lights. Backstage.
Swamiji's interpretation of religion was a universal experience of transcendent reality that is common to all humanity. He gave a new theory of ethics and a new principle of morality based on the intrinsic purity and oneness of love. He brought about an overwhelming unification of Hinduism on the basis of that principle of unity and diversity. Swamiji was also very good at meditating. Once, during a meditation contest, a snake showed up. Everyone got scared and ran away because Swamiji stayed put, and a few minutes later the snake went away. When his parents asked why he didn't run away when he saw the snake, he said it was because he didn't even notice the snake. Here are a few facts on Swamiji's life. Swamiji's father was a lawyer and his mother was a homemaker. He was a serious meditator. He was a practical person from his childhood and he used to test everything before accepting.